This is Mich Chief Thriver and conscious pharmacist at hivthrive.com, bringing you Mich's Monday Mantra. Today, we're coming to you from San Francisco Bay in San Francisco, California, and our mantra is building bridges. As we have this breathtaking view of the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, we stand here and we revel in this stunning morning as we stand and meditate and just think of building bridges. When we build bridges, it connects two structures, two souls, two people, two entities, two countries, two universes, and makes the world a better place. Enjoy the stunning view of Golden Gate Bridge as we come around a little bit and capture Fort Mason on the left. Just enjoy, meditate, and think of bridges, building bridges as you enjoy the beautiful view. Namaste.